Hello, this is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library here to show you a recipe from Joe Yonan's Serve Yourself Nightly Adventures in Cooking for One. Today's recipe will show you how to make a no-knead pizza dough. For your ingredients, you will need bread flour, instant dry yeast, salt, water, and some olive oil. For the first step, you're going to need to whisk together your flour, your salt, and your yeast in a large bowl. Once your flour and dry products are all well combined, you're going to pour your water in and mix with a fork. If the dough becomes too tough to continue mixing with the fork, you can transition to using your clean hands to combine it. When it starts coming together really well and you start to get the dough form, it should look something like this. You can leave the dough in the bowl that you were mixing in, or you can transfer it to a clean bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for 8 to 12 hours, and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After the dough has spent its hour in the refrigerator, you're going to take it out and you're going to turn it out onto an oiled and floured surface. Then you're going to begin folding in small amounts of flour into the dough until it can hold its shape. Roll the dough into a log shape. It makes it easier to cut up into sections. And you can either do like 5 larger balls, or you could do 10 smaller ones like the recipe calls for. I just did 6 across the board. Now you just need to roll the sectioned pieces of dough into balls. Once you have all of your balls rolled together, you're going to wrap the balls of dough in saran wrap, and you can place it in a freezer-safe bag good for up to 3 months, or you can put it in the fridge for up to 3 days until you're ready to use. If you do choose to freeze it, just make sure that you defrost the ball in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours and then let it rise at room temperature for about an hour, and then it'll be ready to stretch and put on a baking sheet. Thanks for joining me for cooking with the GPL collection. See you next time and have a great day.